In this lecture, we're going to check the user's system for saved data. The player prefs class has a method for checking data. Let's try using it. Data will be loaded from the player controller components. Open this component with Visual Studio Code. The best time to check for saved data is from the start method. At this point, the player's data is ready to be updated. At the top of the method, add a conditional statement. The condition will be the playerprefs.hasKey method. This method checks the data on a user's system for a specific key. Our game is very simple. If the player has one piece of data, they likely have all pieces of saved data. This method accepts the name of a key. Let's check the data for the health key. If this method finds a key, it'll return true. Thus, we can assume that the player has saved data on their file system. Inside this conditional statement, let's print a message to notify us that we found data. Time to test our game. Head over to Unity to play the game. Initially, nothing should appear in the console. This indicates that the player does not have saved data. If a message appears for you, chances are you walked through the portal to save data. That's perfectly fine. I'm going to walk through the portal in the game. After walking through the portal, my data was saved. As indicated by the console, our game was able to find saved data. Perfect. The next step is to start applying this data into our player. In the next lecture, let's start applying the data.